Hello everybody. I've been up here for a little bit cleaning up most of the mess I made. Cleaning out the back of this car and putting stuff in the back of a truck ready to go to the crusher. And what you're about to get to see me do is start chopping this car up. Now, I'm not sure that I even can because the car's sitting on the ground, but I'm going to try to cut the car in half right through there, all the way across. That done. Then I might attempt in this video to cut that quarter off. Okay, that went through the rocker. So, what I'm needing to keep is the package tray, the inner part of it on the inside of the window, the area that the rear seat bolts up to, the rear seat pan, what's left of it, the trunk floor, what's left of it, and the wheel wells. But I need to get the quarter off the car, and I might as well do that now instead of later. A lot of this sheet metal I'm going to put up in case I need it to patch parts with and stuff, and then eventually the rest of this car gets taken to the foundry because there really isn't any reason to keep it anymore. There already wasn't anything really left on that car. So let's see what I can get done. Alright, as you've seen, I cut across the top and down the front. Now I folded it out some, and I'm going to cut over the wheel well. Believe it or not, that's not rusty. See, that'll let me grind or drill out the spot welds across the bottom of that wheel well. And it's actually in good shape. Alright, so since it's getting dark and stuff, in the next video I'll lift this car up as high as I can and put something under it right here and get up here and cut the frame on both sides and the floor, and then I can finish getting the leaves and junk and beer cans and stuff out and put this up somewhere along with that stuff. But for now, that's good. There's one thing I wanted to show you before I finish this video. This is the car that I'm actually going to fix. In 1972, my dad was racing a 65 Pontiac GTO out the straightaway down through here. He got down to a store at the end of the straightaway, and he hit the brakes to turn in and stop. And the Pontiac, he didn't get the memo that the race was over, I guess, and it got wrecked. It was a 396 4-speed, butternut yellow, black vinyl top, 67 Chevelle. I know you can't see it, and probably in the next video I'll be pulling this one out to start getting the parts that I need off of it. But basically, I'm going to use a lot more of that than you would think. I'm not doing a VIN swap or any of that bullshit. This car is going to give up from the top of its A-pillars, driver's side door, the entire cowl, and both rockers. And I'm basically on the other car, I'm going to use off of it the floor, roof, and quarters. So I'm not reventing a car, and I wouldn't consider that rebodying a car, because I'm actually using most of this car, every bit of it that's left that's any good. And I would use the roof, but it was a vinyl top car that had rust in 1972, so it's not got anything left. The inner structure's rusted and it's bent from being rear-ended, like that door won't shut. So the roof's collapsed. Floor's gone in that car, but the rockers and the cowl is still pretty good. So I'm going to use every bit that I can off of this car to rebuild this car. As you know, if you follow this build, the purpose of having to cut up this one was I didn't have any of this from about here back, and it was cut around through here. I don't have any of that. So the wheel wells are near perfect on this car. The rear seat pan's patchable, and the trunk floor, I'll either make the patches to just a piece of sheet metal to go back over this and replace the gas tank straps for the bracing, or I'll replace the gas tank straps for the bracing and get that trunk floor, a cheap one Ostley's carries and stuff. But as you can tell, I mean, it's not perfect, but the bottom of the trim down here under the trunk's still good. I mean, still there. And this side's the same. So there's enough here between this car, the yellow one, and that one to make that one, the yellow car, a driver. I'm not going after show quality. I'm going after being able to drive the car. So one thing I thought I would add before I finish this video, you see a lot of people restore these cars, and basically they start with a VIN number and replace everything. And to me, that's rebodying the car. I'm actually using 95% real steel, so just thought I'd put that in there. So I want to thank you for watching, and really, with all this coronavirus or COVID-19 or whatever you want to call it, this pandemic, this global pandemic that we're in that shut absolutely everything down, I hope that you just enjoy watching my videos to pass the time, and that everybody's okay out there. So God bless you all, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And if you have subscribed, or you do subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get to get notified about all my videos. See you again next time.